First video, the Blizzard Snowzilla 2016. I measured, it's 11:30 p.m. I went out and measured here, took several readings, and I got about 8.5 to 9 inches. It started snowing between, I think it was 1:30 and 2 that it started snowing, but I'm about 8.5, 9 inches now. Looking out up into the lights, you can really see it blowing. So yeah, it's coming down pretty good. Wind's blowing a little bit, but not too bad. Waiting on that to pick up. But looking at the radar, sure looks like we're going to still see heavy snow, moderate to heavy snow here for quite a while. So we'll come back with another video later. The Blizzard of 2016. How deep can it go?